Hey there, thanks for joining. My name is Taryn. I'll be taking you through some of Workable's alternatives when it comes to your hiring platforms or ATSs. Now, if you're not already familiar with an ATS is an applicant tracking system, and there are some really great tools out there to consider when it comes to alternatives. Now, I like Workable. It's great. It's got some really great features. Some of my favorite are that they syndicate to a number of job boards like Indeed, LinkedIn, Google Jobs, and a number of other ones that are listed in their website. They also assist with team collaboration. They have candidate sourcing tools, so there's a really great sourcing suite. They can assist with a number of customizable solutions like hiring pipelines. They can do interview scheduling, video interviewing. I do like that they have multi language hiring options as well, and that they do have a really fantastic mobile app and analytics and reporting. Now, that is quite a lot to keep in mind. However, I have researched some of the top tools that I've used myself, and there are a number of tools out there that I'd recommend having a look at. Now, when it comes to systems, I really do like to focus on things like how easy it is to set up, are the functionalities what I need. Keep that in mind when looking for your business. You may not need a full HRIS or HR information system. You may be just needing something to assist you with tracking candidates and handling any of your job board postings. So, this is something to keep in mind while I go through some of these tools, as there are some really great ones to look out for. Now, first up, we have Lever. Now, Lever is a CRM and an ATS all in one. So they do manage a number of different functionalities. They've got an ATS, they can assist you with AI interviews, recruitment marketing automations, and a number of other functions. Now, they do have a really clean interface. It's one of the things I do like about them. It is really collaborative. It's great in terms of tech startups or scaling SaaS companies. Um, this is a really great one to have a look at. Now, in terms of what they can offer, look on their budget tier. It may be quite a high cost. The pricing is custom and it's usually on the more premium side. So keep that in mind. And also keep in mind that you maybe not need something so advanced. So keep that in mind that it may be overkill if you're just needing something for more simpler hiring processes. They also do have some limited customization in some of the pipeline stages. And as mentioned, I don't really like that their pricing structure is not very transparent. However, overall, really, really great options. They do have a more entry level version as well as one for enterprise businesses. So do keep that in mind as you're looking at different solutions. Having a look at a Jazz HR, second on our list. Now, why it's similar to Workable is again, it's affordable, easy to set up, which I love. It integrates with job boards seamlessly and it does have customizable workflows, which is one of my favorite things. Now, some of the standout features that I do like is that you do have advanced screening sections. So things like offer management, bulk actions, resume passing, interview kits, and more are all part of what they've got in their product and service offering. They do help you automate a lot of the hiring management processes. As mentioned, they do have applicant screening, so you can set up knockout questions and automate this to simply, based on a workflow that you've configured, decline or move candidates to different stages, which I really like that. You are able to also tailor your hiring process. So, this is something that may be suitable for you. Another one I like is that they have bulk actions. Now, this is something that's really valuable, especially when you're dealing with high volume recruitment. You may not have time to go and decline every single candidate step by step. If you have something like multitask management or bulk actions, you are able to execute this a lot quicker, which I really like. As mentioned, they've got free job board syndication and they do have quite nice analytics and reporting as well in their kits. Now, this is probably better for your startup and growing companies with budget constraints. As mentioned, Really great intuitive user experience, a UI, and at a really reasonable starting point. So their price point does start at just $75 per month, and it ranges to about $420 per month. So keep that in mind in terms of what you will need in terms of their functionality and available add-ons. Great. Let's have a look at my next favorite ATS is Breezy HR. Now I'm going to show you a bit more um, information and insights into the platform. I do have some test data set up so that we can have a look at this. Again, really simple, easy to use. You are able to set up information really quickly and easily. I do like that they've kind of checked all the lists in terms of free job board automation. So you are able to post your jobs. They do have automation and candidate screening. So here we go. We've got a candidate set up, and you can simply either add candidates, add positions, and manage your processes quite quickly. I do really like that they have drag and drop features in terms of a workflow. If you like project management tools like this, it kind of looks and feels the same. So you are able to move your candidates to different stages and handle information like that. Now, they do also have tasks and calendars, which I quite like. So if you've got anything that you are handling, you can add a task or add an item to your calendar list. It is surfaced generally right over here. Here we go. We've got my new candidates and a task that I might have an interview with Joe at 2 p.m. today. I need to remember. And if you're like me, out of sight, out of mind. So it's great to have this information all within one dashboard. Now, some downsides to Breezy is that their automation features are limited on their lower tier plans. So if that is something that you are looking out for specifically, I'd recommend having a look at the higher tiers, and their reporting isn't as advanced as some enterprise ATSs. So they do have some basic analytics available here in terms of open positions, candidates, time to fill. However, if you are needing really advanced analytics, identifying things like trends, you may need to look at one of the more enterprise ATSs. With that being said, it's probably less suited for larger or enterprise level customers or clients, so do keep that in mind if you are looking at Breezy. Now, again, they don't have bad pricing at all. They do have a free plan available. However, keep in mind that it is limited in terms of features. Their starting price ranges at around about $157 per month, all the way up to about $439 per month, depending on your requirements. Here is a quick overview as well in terms of the user functionality that you can expect and what candidates would be able to see. If you had a job posting that did go live, it gives you a quick overview. You are able to preview the position, which I quite like as well. And you are able to use your Indeed resume or apply with LinkedIn if you are a candidate, which I really like. It also adds in the location for you using a map, which I think is quite a cool feature. Candidates can immediately see if the position is within their area and apply to it quite simply from there. So overall, really great option to have a look at if you are looking for a new ATS. All right, then diving into one of my favorite ATSs, NinjaGig. Now, you may have not have heard of them before, but I'd recommend checking them out. So again, super quick, super simple, really easy to set up in terms of just getting going. It would take you less than a day to get some job adverts posted online and start your hiring and recruitment processes, which I really like. They do have a really nice dashboard here. There's a really clean, simple UX. You do have pretty simple steps going down here so that you know where to start, know where to get going. Another one of their features that I really like is that you do have a branded careers page. This can be set up and customized with your logo. You could change the color online as well, depending on what you like. And you are able to select multi languages here as well, which is quite a fantastic functionality. Now, they are probably ideal for small companies or startups or even agencies because you're able to quickly and easily set up your job openings, advertise. What I do like is they give you some success factors, which is something missing from the other ATSs, that they give you some guidelines in terms of making sure that your job postings are successful and that they do appear successfully on job boards like Indeed, Jubal, Google Jobs, Monster, and a whole bunch more. They do integrate with these job boards for free, which is a really great value add. And you do have the ability to have unlimited uh, job advert postings, which is fantastic and probably one of the best value for money ATSs I've come across. Now, they do allow you to create the job. And in this, you do have the option to add in things like YouTube links, which I quite like. And then, of course, default application questions, which is quite handy when you don't have a lot of time to create your own. However, if you do create your own custom application questions, you can save them and reuse them from the global custom question library at a later stage. So overall, really fantastic, really easy to manage your applications. You can communicate from within the app. You can add tags as well, which is really great in terms of functionality. So just a lot of features and really great uh, tools and tricks within the system that you can have a look at as well. All of this is available in the free trial, so I would recommend having a look if you're not so sure and giving it a spin. Now, on the downsides, they do have reporting in place, which I really like. They do include site stats, so you can see where your candidates are applying from, if they've come from your website, Indeed, or other job portals that you've posted to. You do have EEO stats as well that is available. You can select a date range for this, which I quite like, and it will bring that information in for you once you have selected that. If you do need more advanced reporting, of course, you've got your dashboard. However, you may need to use other ATSs or other systems if you are someone who's really focused on deep analytics from within the system. Now, you may not be able to also perform bulk actions within the toolset. However, you are able to uh, utilize the view applications step, move the candidates into various stages and email from within the platform, which is really fantastic. These email comms can be set up and customized based on what you require. It will add in specific information such as the candidate's name, job title, and relevant information, which is fantastic. I do think that's something missing from other ATSs. So, a really good option to have a look at. Now, in terms of pricing, they are second to none. I haven't seen a better price ATS with this service offering, especially with unlimited job postings. So once your free trial, 14-day free trial has expired, you are then charged $49 per month, which is fantastic. Um, and that, as mentioned, includes unlimited job postings and no hidden fees. So really transparent pricing. Really love that they've got that structure in place and a really nice alternative to Workable. Hopefully, that helps you decide on which systems you can look into and try out as workable alternatives and decide on the next best tool for you. Thank you.